Another day, another story. Welcome to Wealth Factor. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online by reading. If you're someone who loves reading and wants to earn some extra cash, then you're in the right place. Keep watching to learn some interesting ways to monetize your reading habits. The first way to make money online by reading is by becoming an ebook proofreader. Many independent authors self-publish their work on ebook platforms like Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing. As an ebook proofreader, you can offer your services to these authors and help them improve their book's quality. You can find ebook proofreading jobs on freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or you can start your own proofreading business by building a website and promoting your services on social media. Another way to make money by reading is by becoming an online tutor. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer your services as an online tutor. Many students are willing to pay for personalized attention and help with their coursework. You can find online tutoring jobs on websites like Chegg or TutorMe, or you can start your own tutoring business by creating a website and promoting your services on social media. If you're a language expert, you can also make money by becoming a translator. Many companies require translation services for their websites, marketing materials, or software products. You can find translation jobs on websites like Prose or Translators Cafe, or you can start your own translation business by building a website and promoting your services on social media. Lastly, you can make money by participating in paid online surveys. Many market research companies pay people to read and respond to surveys. While this may not be directly related to reading, it's still a great way to earn some extra cash in your free time. You can sign up for paid survey websites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie and start earning money today. So there you have it. These are just a few ways you can make money online by reading. Whether you're an ebook proofreader, online tutor, translator, or survey taker, there are many opportunities out there for you to earn money while doing something you love. Remember to promote your services on social media, build a website, and always deliver high-quality work to build a loyal customer base. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any other ideas on how to make money online by reading, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching Wealth Factor. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.